Hello everyone. Today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mal Living. This story belongs to Pakistani series Ana. The story starts with Dani. Is a free spirit girl who lives with her father Zaid and grandfather Arsh. She is in love with Arish, a wealthy and handsome young man who is also her second cousin. Arish lives in Shamsher Nagar with her father, including her paternal grandmother Shadia Begum. In addition to raise Arish, Shadia Begum also raised two distant relatives of her, Altamaz and his younger sister Anya, both of whom were orphans when they were young children. When the show begins, Altamaz is a handsome young man and Arish's best friend, but he dislikes Dani. Shadia Begum opposed Dani and Arish union due to some serious issue that happened 25 years before of the event of show. Shadia Begum's old son Walid was in love with Nazia, his maternal cousin, and the daughter of Arshad. But Nazia rejected him, caused Walid to commit suicide. Nazia is Dani's paternal auntie and was banished from his father's mansion 25 years before when she chose to marry Walid's friend Azam. Shadia Begum could not forget this and strongly opposed Dani and Arish marriage. Now Azam and Shadia live with their only daughter Iza. One day Dani goes to Arish to get a tattoo on her right arm. The tattoo is Arish's name. On the same day, Arish's family along with Anya arrived at Dani's house. Dani's arrived late when angry Sadia Begum scolded Dani in front of everyone for being childish and asked her who will marry if her does not grow up. Dani replied that Arish will, which everyone shocked, including Anya, who has feeling for Arish. Infatuated Sadia Begum's league. Next day, she asked Nashwa about Dani's weatherboard. Hesitated, Nashwa confessed that Dani was late as she gone to get a tattoo. Later, Shadia Begum goes with Gazaffar, Arish's father, to Dani's house to tell Zahid, Dani's father, and her grandfather about Dani's interpreted action. Everyone is shocked when they see that Dani has a tattoo of Arish's name, implies that she loves him. Shadia Begum then tell Gazaffar and Mumtaz, Arish's mother, that a marriage should be arranged between Anya and Arish. She has believed that Dani is just follow his auntie Nazia's footsteps. This gives Arshad a heart attack and caused Sadia Begum to final relent. Dani meets Iza at a hospital without knowing that she is her first cousin. And after talking to for an hour in friendly conversation, Iza realized that Dani belonged to her mother's family as his maternal cousin. But Iza does not disclose this to Dani and to maintain their friendship. Dani invites Iza to her engagement party where everyone implied by Iza's graceful behavior. Thought no one knows that she is Nazia's daughter. Altamaz is suspicious about Iza, so he does some digging into her past. He discovers that her true identity and later confronts Iza. Iza tells her that her only intention was known her maternal family. Altamaz promised not to reveal her secret. Dani's father Zaid found out Dani's friend Iza is her niece. He goes to his sister's house and meant to broke tie with her. Soon Nazia, Azam and Iza all visit Dani's grandfather's house. Dani's grandfather happily accepts their engaged daughter back to the family. However, Shadia Begum and Gazaffar discover this and give Dani two choices: either to marry Arish and break all tie with her family, or to break the engagement with Arish. Dani refused to leave her family and she break off the engagement. Marriage is then arranged between Arish and Anya, Altamaz's young sister, who has endured a traumatic past. She had been raped when she was just 10 years old. Anya wanted to tell Arish about this before their marriage. Meanwhile, Danin decided to find a man and marry him before Arish and Anya married to take as revenge. Danin finally find a man, Chef, a 14-year-old politician whose wife died 7 years ago. Chef never got over the loss. Danin believes he is the best match for her since she is heartbroken too. They both agree to marry each other respectfully, the fact that they both in love with other people and will maintain their distance even after getting married. Danin also showed that the tattoo she made on her arms for Arish to Saif. Meanwhile, Iza is angry at Altamas because she believes he is the one who revealed her secret to Shadia Begum and Ghazaffar. In actuality, Altamas never betrayed her and he tried her best to clear up this misunderstanding with Iza. Danin and Zaid go to Shamsher Nagar to ask Shadia Begum to visit Shergar and Arish Shauli missing her. Arshad Soli missing her. However, Ghazaffar throws them out of his house. Shadia Begum, who has broke all tie with her elder brother, is later devastated and guilt-stricken when her brother died. Danin insulted her since she ruined her brother's last day. Arish too feels guilty since he could not stick on the promise he made to Danin's grandfather, which was to always stand by Danin. However, Arish now feels that he has no other option than to marry Anya. Meanwhile, Danin married Chef. Iza wants to work, which is strongly opposed to Nazia, as she thinks this will damage Shergar's pride. Nevertheless, Iza finally land a job interview with the support of her father Azam. However, Altamas and Iza away from the job interview as he believed the job was not right for Iza. Altamas then offered Iza to a position at his office, but she turned him down. Nazia began to manipulate Danin to torture Shadia Begum and her family. Danin initiated hesitate, but Nazia managed to convince him and has Danin attend Anya Arish's wedding in her bridal dress. Her goal is to hurt Arish by showing him that what a gem he has lost. Upon them, Danin Arish lost control and went to hurt his marriage, but Shadia Begum managed to get the situation under control. Further, Altamas revealed to Anya that Arish is clueless about Anya's rape story. Danin later regret her actions since Anya, an innocent soul, was hurt in the process. Anya and Arish, now a married couple, have a tense relationship since it was clear that Arish still loves Danin and has no place in heart for Anya. Meanwhile, Anya decides to keep her rape story secret. Danin tried to strengthen her bond with her husband, Chef. Chef is going on a business trip to Moray and decide to take Danin there on a honeymoon. And Danin is overjoyed. She sees this trip as an opportunity to make her marriage work with fail because Chef has no interest in Danin. Furthermore, Danin has vowed to Anya to make Arish love her so that he too can live happily after together. Anya and Arish grow closely to each other in terms of friendship through Arish still loves Danin just the way he used to. Iza and Altamas grow close to each other despite their controversial personality and constant argument. Altamas and Isha meet at a party and text each other, making Nazia, who was present there, suspicious about them. Altamas' help Iza is getting a job in a bank. Later, Nazia asks Altamas to marry her Iza, but Iza promptly rejects the idea. Saif turns out of an abusive husband to Danin. Also, Arish's father Ghazaffar pressurizes Anya to get Altamas and Nashwa, Arish's younger sister, marriage, but Altamas does not agree, nor does Nashwa. Iza's father opposes Nashwa's wish and takes Iza and Kabir, Isha's cousin, to their old home, but Nazia does not come with them. Nazia wants Altamas to marry Iza and reject Nashwa to take revenge from Sadia Begum and Gazaffar, for they were the reason behind Azam's paralyzed because they shoot him. And they also did not tell Nazia rejoin her family. But Iza brusquely refused of marrying Altamas in front of Shadia Begum. Nazia and Nashwa and Altamas then cause Altamas to say yes to Nashwa, and he does so. Meanwhile, Danin is provoked by Arish to get a divorce from Chef so he can marry Danin. Chef threw a formal party at which Arish family, Iza family and Altamas was present among others. Danin, again blindly by the love of Arish, sing a poem for Arish. She was singing it for Saif, but everyone knows that Danin is singing for Arish. This caused a conflict between Danin and Saif. Danin clearly said to Saif that she is in love with Arish and she wants a divorce from him to marry Arish. But Saif clearly said to her that he would not divorce her because they may spoil her image. After coming from party, Arish finds out Anya's pregnancy. On hearing this, he is overjoyed and he happy with Anya forgotten. Once again, he promised he made with Danin. Altamas gives this news to Iza, who has come his office to discuss investment. On hearing this news from Iza, Danin calls Arish, on which he says that he will never leave her, but Danin assures him that he was already left her. Chef has called Zayed and Nazia, Danin's father and auntie, to talk about Danin's behavior at a party and in their relationship. Iza is present there but leave for a short while to attend call by Altamas, who order Iza to leave the place as he thinks that one support Danin is wrong. Iza refused to say Danin is to her what Anya is to Altamas. She returned to the room and Chef is complaining to Zayed, who feels ashamed of his father's doing. Iza fight for Danin by asking Chef if he had been fair to Danin in their relationship. Danin would have not thought of going back to Arish, as Danin must be tried to for their relationship to work while Chef hasn't. Chef asks her to leave and leave himself too. Back at home, Zayed agrees with Chef's behavior and declares his boycott to Danin. Iza tried to reason with her uncle for a divorce, but he and Nazia said that never been and will never be divorced in Shergar. Iza disagrees with their rules and say people of Shergar would neither relish their relationship and support the wrongdoers. She feels Arish be punished. He is the only one caused Danin to go astray. Next morning, Iza goes to Arish to ask him to go to Saif and agree with his wrongdoing to Danish, and he may motivate her at all. Altamas back up. Arish disagrees with Iza, but Anya assures Iza that Arish will go and end what he started. Nashwa remains silent throughout. Chef given Danin punishment by making her house chokes all day, and Danin still thinks Arish will come for rescue. Altamas apologized to Iza for his behavior and promised her to support him in their decision and support Danin. Altamas has said yes to Nashwa to help her get admission to art school, but she said that she is falling in love with him, which is replied that he never loved her nor he will. Altamas also clarify his position in front of Iza that he only helped Nashwa to get in the art school and she is not his fiancée. Fatherhood, he also gave Iza for information about Danin's worst condition. After running Danin's life once again, Arish planned a honeymoon for him and Anya. Nazia goes to meet Danin and say he has come back to Shergar, but she refused, say that she will only come when Arish will come to rescue her. Gazaffar and call Altamas and threaten him to if he is not marry Nashwa, he will send Anya home and take her child away. Nazia contacts Shadia Begum's maid and give her financial advantage to tell her secrets from the Shamsher Nagar. The maid told that the secret of Anya, her past story, and Nashwa that she was caught with her boyfriend by Danin and Anya to Nazia. Nazia sent a message about Anya's secret to Arish and sent Nashwa's picture which she took from the Dani's phone when she visited her to Gazaffar. Arish feels betrayed and feels that Anya does not trust her. He goes to meet Nazia, who tells him about Dani's condition, so she will treat harshly by her in-laws. Arish then decides to leave with Danin, not with Anya, and goes to Chef's house to take Danin. But Chef and his mother does not allow him to that. But Danin trickly everyone as silently get out of the house, fooling the guards, and quickly sit in the Arish car. Meanwhile, Chef insult Arish and tell him father that all the situation and tell Arish to get out. Arish get out of the house and angrily sit in the car. After seeing Danin, she gets shocked and overexcited. Arish drove Dani to the flat he brought when they both get engaged. Meanwhile, closeness between Iza and Altamas is getting strong. Arish then planned to take Danin and move out of Pakistan. He shared his plan with his wife Anya, who is seemingly to support him throughout. However, Anya planned double game and sided with his in-laws, getting Danin kidnapped. Danin apologized to everyone in Shamsher Nagar and begged them to leave her alone, but Gazaffar called Chef. After seeing Chef, Danin jumped from the balcony. She will shift to ICU. Arish come to visit her and fight with Gazaffar. Meanwhile, Altamas promised to Iza to tell her that he wants to spend entire life with her. Even though Iza wants to say yes to his proposal, she denied and told Altamas that her father has already set her marriage with Kabir. Altamas assured Iza that she marriage won't take place under any circumstances. Nazia tried to convince Iza to call the wedding off, but Iza said that she will respect her father's decision even though she loves Altamas. Azam, Iza's father, feared this conversation between his father and wife. When Kabir and Iza's nikah is about to start, Altamas enters and tells everyone that he will always by Iza's side and assure that Iza can depend on him. He also said that Iza's right to choose her life partner and no one can force her. Listen, this Azam tell Iza that if she want to disagree, she can. Iza then disagree. Meanwhile, Danin survive and Anya tell Arish that she helped Gazaffar in finding Danin and she was a part of the plan. Arish became furious and left. Danin escaped from the hospital and hid at Iza's house. Nashwa planned to get Anya and Arish killed and they will shot. Anya gave birth to a son and Arish is still ICU. Iza argued with Altamas and he misunderstanding Danin. Iza find a flash drive in her driveway when say that Altamas kill a guy named Salim. Altamas later realized and confront Danin that he misunderstood her and apologized. Danin convinced Iza to patch up with Altamas. Altamas apologized to Iza, said that he truly loved her but she is the most beautiful person he ever met. Iza then confronted Altamas and asked him if he killed someone. Altamas feels hurt and Iza does not trust him and asks her to leave. Danin helped to patch up things. Altamas visit Danin at Iza's house. Danin tells him to fix things with Iza and send her abroad. Altamas reply, I am saying that Iza has a trust issue. Huge trust issue and relationship cannot survive if the trust isn't there. Danin tell Iza the entire story and reason why Altamas killed that man, which was the manager. Salim raped Anya at a very young age. Danin also tell Iza and that Altamas take care of her manager's wife and kid. Danin visit Arish in the hospital and Gazaffar surprisingly apologized to Nazia and Danin that he wrongly them a lot and ruined their life. Meanwhile, Altamas has a hunch that Nashwa is the one who planned to get Arish and Anya killed. Nashwa disagrees with blame it on Altamas. Then Altamas opened Nashwa's phone and showed the message she sent to guys who shot her brother and pregnant sister-in-law to Gazaffar. Iza was also present there later. Iza goes to Altamas and apologizes. A very hurt Altamas says to Iza that she trusts everyone except of him and asks Iza to leave. Meanwhile, Arish recovered from his poor condition. Anya tells Altamas to book her and the baby's ticket as she thinks that Arish will choose Danin over her. Iza and Nazia visit Arish at Shamsher Nagar. Altamas is also present there, but Danin and Zayed are nowhere to seen. Anya asks Iza where they are, and in reply, Arish says that they were in New York. Then a flashback is played in the episode when Danin visits Arish to tell him she moved to the state with her father and wants to move on with her life. Arish tells Anya he wants to be with his whole family, but it is visible at his face that he accepts his fate and Anya but loves Danin only. Meanwhile, Nazia scolds Altamas that he was very spoiled and should leave her daughter alone. Altamas realizes his mistake and talk to Iza about it. They start fresh, soon get married. The drama ended with Altamas tease Iza and then complimentally her. The Shamsher Nagar and Shamsher Ghar families live happily after. Thank you.